In order to decide whether I used or developed or challenged the codes and conventions of a real media product, I had to decide on codes and conventions of drama genre trailer. First of all, talking about the camera shots. We used establishing shots, which establishes the setting, which often gives the audience information about where the scene is set, and with that they had idea of what is going to happen next, which also creates interest of audience. Then close-up shots were used to create a strong focus on the artist and his personality. It is used to better communicate the emotional or the physical feelings and try to bring the character and the audience closer together. It also serves to focus on the artist, his beauty, hair, and makeup. For example, key interest of the target audience. Mid shots are used in drama movies to shot the whole body of the actor without losing too much personal connection. Shots, which include the actor's clothing, encourage the audience to think about and discuss amongst each other the fashion choices in the video. It also shows of body language. Coming towards the mise-en-scene. The mise-en-scene reflects the meaning of the film. We use this convention by isolating the actor. Another code and convention is the editing with them. This was done with a slow effect to show the sense of sadness and disturbance in different people's life, making it interesting. Transitions such as fade and cross dissolve are popular for editing, and we use these both in our editing. For most of our scenes, we did use daylight. This gave the scenes an enhanced and brighter look fitting with the nature of the scene. We followed common codes and conventions of real media product and most importantly regarding the costume. This is because we dressed the actor and the actresses with some common Islamic religion dresses, which showed their beliefs and also developed the meaning of each sense. Moreover, for the clothing of the wife, we use a specific fancy clothing with jewelry. Following our conventions from the two movies we mentioned before, Bol and Mahimir, we see that only the clothing of our actors were taken as a convention from that, but also the style of shooting for the dance, with the wife wearing a musical anklet or ghungaroo and dancing with the same long dresses. Moreover, the expression of the lady dancing here is not exactly happy, but pretends to be happy because she is helpless. Coming towards social issues, which is one of the smallest yet the biggest issue of our society. Prostitution is an issue which has caused controversy cross-culturally and historically, and which has many individuals re-examining the logistics of it. It is not legal in our society, but some ladies have to work for helping themselves or their families. Apart from this, people without long beards calling themselves religious but not showing humanity towards people are major issue in our society, which we had also shown in our trailer. In conclusion, my team and I used various codes and conventions that we have seen, and we tried to adapt as many as possible according to our script. But most of our ideas mainly came from the movie Bol and Mahimir trailer.